Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important UGC NET statistics question from Unit 1 Probability and Distribution. Question. Let E and F be two independent mutually exclusive events. Further, let E and F be independent of G if P of E plus P of F is equal to P and P of G is equal to Q, then P of E union F union G. First, we understand what is mutually exclusive events and independent events. Let A and B are said to be, let A and B are two events, are said to be independent events. Okay, A and B are two events said to be independent. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Independent. If A and B are said to be if A and B are two events, it is said to be independent events. The condition is P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Okay, then A and B are events are said to be mutually exclusive. Probability of A intersection B is equal to 0, or A intersection B is equal to null set. That means A and B cannot occur together. Okay, A and B are two events are said to be mutually exclusive. The condition is P of A intersection B is equal to 0 or A intersection B is equal to null set. Here, question. Let E and F be two mutually exclusive events. Given E and F be two mutually exclusive events. That means E intersection F is equal to null set, or P of E intersection F is equal to 0. Okay. P of E intersection F is equal to 0, or E intersection F is equal to null set. Okay. Further, let A and F be independent of G. That means P of E intersection G is equal to P of E into P of G. P of E intersection, F intersection, P of F intersection G is equal to P of F into P of G. Okay, E and F be independent of G. Also give P of E plus P of F is equal to P, and P of G is equal to P of G is equal to P of G is equal to Q. Now we need to find P of E union F union G. P of E union F union G. We know the additional theorem of three events. P of E union F union G is P of E plus P of F minus plus P of G minus P of E intersection F minus P of E intersection G minus P of F intersection G plus P of E intersection F intersection G. Here given P of E plus P of F. Here given P of E plus P of F is P. Now we substitute P of E plus P of F is P. So is equal to P plus P of G. P of G is Q minus P of E intersection F. We know that E and F are mutually exclusive events. So P of E intersection F is equal to 0. So 0 minus P of E intersection G. P of E intersection G is P of E into P of G. Okay, so P of E into P of G. Also, P of F intersection G is write as minus P of F into P of G because F and G are independent events. Then we need to find P of E intersection F intersection G. So by here write P of E intersection F intersection G. We know that E and F are mutually exclusive events. That means E intersection F is null set. So we can write here P of E intersection F is null set intersection G. P of phi intersection G is P of common point is null set. Okay. P of phi intersection G is P of null set. P of null set, we know that P of null set is always 0. Okay. We know that P of null set is 0. Also P of sample space is equal to 1. Okay. So therefore P of null set is equal to 0. Therefore P of E intersection F intersection G is 0. So we can write plus 0. Now is equal to P plus Q minus P of E into P of G. We know that P of G is Q. P of G is equal to Q. So write P of G is into Q minus P of F. P of F into P of G is Q. Okay. Is equal to P plus Q minus of, we take the common value Q. Okay. That is, we can write P of E plus P of F into Q. So P plus Q minus, we know that P of E plus P of F. We know that P of E plus P of F is P. So can write P of E plus P of F is P Q. So the final answer is P plus Q minus P Q. So P plus Q minus P Q, that is option D is the right answer. So you remember these 2 points, that is A and B are independent. P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B. Also, if mutually exclusive, A intersection B is equal to null set, or P of A intersection B is equal to 0. Then P of probability of or null set intersection any set, that is A, is also null set. Okay. Null set, probability of null set always 0. Also probability of sample space is equal to 1. These things to remember. Thank you.